Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit cerulean mode using Adobe Lightroom. So let's get started. Open the Lightroom app on your smartphone or in your computer. Import the photo. And go to Develop option. And for the lights, drag down the exposure to -73. And then the contrast would be 15. Now for the highlights, set to -79. And the shadow would be on 100. Drag down the whites to -76. And for the black would be on 31. And we're going to color. If you are using phone, hit the mix on the right side. And let's starting in the color red, set the luminance to 53. And jump to color orange. Set the luminance to 47. And for color yellow, set the luminance to 40. Color green, set the luminance to 4 only. Let's jump to color aqua. Push up the hue to about 2 and the luminance to 7. For color blue, set the hue color down to -40 and luminance to -31. Let's move to purple. Luminance will be to 2. For the last color, magenta, set the luminance to 40. And that's it. This is the before and after. And I think we achieved the cerulean mode. And then you can save this photo to your gallery if you're using phone and desktop for those using computer. So that's my tutorial. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you on my next tutorial. God bless and goodbye.